Hi everybody, so I'm fresh out of the shower. Pretty pale, might not look like it to you. Normally I would not self-tan myself with a whole ass bathing suit on, but YouTube has guidelines, as do some of my morals, so I can't do it naked. First thing I'm gonna do though is just put my hair up because when I tan my back, I don't want my hair to get in it. Okay, first thing that you need to make sure that you do is moisturize certain parts of the body. I'm just taking this Brazilian Bum Bum cream. Smells amazing. Hashtag thank you, Rachel. It's pricey, but I love it. It's a firming cream too, so it will help like any, I don't really have cellulite. Oh, you can't see my legs. I'm just taking some of this and I'm applying it to my hands. Oh, it's like ASMR. Grabbing some more. I'm going to apply it to my weenuses. Comment below, thumbs up if you knew this was called a weenus. And then I'm gonna take a little more and I'm gonna hit my knees. I saw a meme that said like it looks like babies are trying to come out of the knees. And I'm like, that's terrifying. And now that I look, this looks like eyes, a nose, and a mouth, all right? Jesus. Voldemort, get out of there. Looks like, my knee looks like Lord Voldemort. Okay, I'm done. And if you're noticing, my toenails are like yellow. Super gross, I know. They're like stained from my nail polish, I guess. This is the self-tanner that we'll be using today, and it is the self-tanner that I use religiously throughout the winter, just until it's the warmer months again. Here in Pittsburgh, I use this. So I like to start with my legs, and I'm just shaking this up a little bit. And I got this mitt on their website as well, but you can get one on Amazon if you want for cheaper. So I usually take about 4 pumps, I guess, like that. And I just start on my calf. Oh, this is also the ultra dark. Don't know if I mentioned that. So this tanner is gradual. This isn't the 2-hour one. They do have like a 2-hour deluxe. But I like to just do this and then leave it on overnight, and then I'll wash it off tomorrow. And you'll just wake up and you'll be super bronzed. And I take about 4 more pumps, and then I get the thigh. Hopefully no parts of my labia majora come out. If you see razor burn, leave me alone, okay? And then I'll just take 4 more. Go over it again. Okay, so real quick, guys, this is just 2 minutes of it being on. You can just already see the difference. This angle is terrible. It looks like I got thunder's eyes. What's happening here? So I'm gonna do the other leg, and then I'll come back and we'll do the arms. So I'm just gonna take 4 pumps again. And I just start rubbing it in. You can see. I do this on a night that I don't have anything to do, because if I go out tonight, I would smell weird, number one. It doesn't smell weird, but when it's on for a while, it starts just to have like that like self-tanning smell. I don't know how to describe it. And I would be orange as all hell. So when I wash everything off, it's then normal. But if I left it like this in a couple hours, bitch. Okay. Just gonna apply some more. Not really hitting my hand yet or anything. I saved my hands and feet for last. Did you have my bones crack? Are we 90? Hit the back as well. That's all right, that's all right. I'm gonna do the other arm, and then I'm gonna come back to do like the stomach and stuff, I guess. All right, guys, now for the stomach, I'm gonna take 4 pumps again. Put it on my right hand, because I'm right-handed. That'd make a little more sense, huh? And, oh, I stick my belly button ring in so it doesn't get on there, but, oh well. And then get the back. I don't know what you're seeing. Sometimes it's easier to get this side with the opposite hand. Try and keep this like as PG-13 as possible, but they have this little tool on their site as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some tanning on there and like go ahead and hit my back right here. This is so weird because I can't see what you're seeing, but hoping that it's getting the back. For my neck, I just take this little brush and I just apply it like this. So fun fact, I do not apply this to my face just because number one, I just color match my foundation to my face anyway. Number two, I feel like it would break me out, and then whenever it started to like wear off, it would look weird, so. Now do you see why I don't go out when I do this? Save it for the next day. For the feet, I just do the same thing that I do with my neck. I'm just gonna take one pump of that and I just apply it to my foot with the brush. Like I said, if my toenails are yellow, number one, it's probably because of this stuff, because as you see, I go on my toes, and then number two, my nail polish always stains my toes. So for my hands, I just do the same thing. I just take one pump and I just go ahead and apply it. Make sure to get like in the webbings of your fingers. That's it. So I have tanned my whole body. When you're done, you just want to put a shirt on that you really don't care about, nice and loose fitting. So I will come back tomorrow whenever I have it washed off and everything so that you can see the final look.
Okay guys, so this is the next morning. This is before I showered it off. So as you can see, I'm definitely a lot tanner than I was the night before. If my hands look orange, it's because obviously I haven't washed it off yet. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna wash this off, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like fresh out of the shower. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like with my makeup on and just how everything blends. Okay, and then this is when I showered it off. Don't mind those little lines. It's from my waist trainer. I had it on before I got in the shower. So I just showered, and then this is what it looks like afterwards. If you can see, there's like a complete white spot on my back. I'm not sure how that happened because I did use the little thing for my back. But yeah, this is just what it looks like. Once again, like I said, after you get out of the shower.
Hi everybody, so this is after I washed off the tan obviously and everything. I am going out right now. I just wanted to show you how it looks when you, I don't know, put yourself together, especially since my face was a different color in the clips that I used. So this is just what it looks like. I feel like it looks very natural on the skin. The only mishap was my hands. They look like monkey paws. They're like so orange. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know that you can use the coupon code LOVINGTAN for, I think, a free exfoliating mitt with any purchase of the Loving Tan mousse. I think I pretty much went over everything with you guys. If you have any other questions, just leave me a comment in the description box below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay Bella. Mwah. Bye guys.